Okay, welcome to an everyday makeup tutorial by the marvelous Max. That's me. I'm wonderful. I was a little bit high on painkillers and I decided to do my makeup because quarantine is depressing and I wanted to look fucking beautiful, and I honestly don't think anyone can blame me for that. Look at the state of the world. It's great. Destiel's canon, and apparently that's a bad thing. Anyway, seriously, we'll have a whole thing on that. You can learn. You could just Google it. Yeah, I mean, I was listening to Silo by The Altogether while I was making this, so I'm assuming that I'll dance at some point, but I don't really remember what I did. I just assumed that I was doing this. Anyway, it's not our first makeup tutorial video, but it is the first one to make it on the channel, which is impressive due to slight technical difficulties that we've had over the years. Some minor mishaps. Anyway, right now I'm making my face beige, which is the first step of any good makeup, as I was very proud of myself for doing, clearly. And then you change and you put a different shade of beige on a different area to make yourself look less sleep deprived, which is quite funny because people don't naturally look beige, but the world says that we should all look beige, so I went for beige because beige is the colour. It's very beautiful. Look at that fucking streaks. Yeah, dance move there. Very sped up dance move. Looks real good. Some little dabbing motions. Some more beige going on there. Making myself nice and glossy. Oh yeah, let the light hit those cheekbones, baby. Smoothing out them eyebrows. Oh, what a great look. Anyway. Oh yeah, right now I'm like just gonna finish off my face. Like, it's no big deal. Like, I sped it up loads because, you know, who wants to sit through someone just fucking finishing off their face? Like, everyone knows what it looks like. It's just vaguely beige. But I'm mixed race and my skin has some little undertones. Not super mixed race, just a little bit. And so I have like different colors that undertone it, so I like to add that in when I'm doing my contour. Yeah, and Arena like gave me a little prompt to like help me out because I wasn't really sure exactly where I was going with the whole look for the makeup. Yeah, and you see my fingers there. I was counting to 10 because she told me to go for a decimal look, which is pretty classic, pretty normal, you know, everyday makeup, what it is. Hey, look, I'm drawing on some lips because I have no lips. My lips are tiny. And I'm putting on the rose thing because I'm slightly allergic to rose, which makes my lips even more red. Because allergic reactions make your skin red, apparently. I don't know what's going on there, but I did it. Hey, I had a little dance moment. That's cute. I respect myself. Yeah, just like I don't have any eyeshadow primer because who has money to spend on makeup in this climate, right? So I just sort of go for it. Just put on some eyeshadow. Just like trying to work with my own eye shape and, you know, have some depth and everything. Am I contouring there a little bit? Maybe? I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Oh, just adding like little shades underneath to highlight the eyes. Classic. Like, this is the kind of look that you just sort of, yeah, wear. I don't tell the way because I need to do eyeliner and I can't do it without looking in the mirror. It's very, very valid. 2 hands for eyeliner, clearly. Smudging it, looking like a early 2000s little, I don't know, stolen your parents' makeup type vibe there. Just doing waterline. Mascara? Putting on mascara like a pro. Woo, look at me go. By putting on makeup, like everyday makeup. Contouring the nose, because Western beauty standards have a specific nose shape. Adding some like contour to the cheekbones, dual. Putting loads of dabbing in because I was putting too much contour in, and I'm like, oh no, it looks like it's real streaky. But like, I'm also just, you know, I just want that jaw shape to like really pop. Because we've all put on some weight and it's fine and everything. Like, there's nothing wrong with being whatever. I just like want to keep my bone structure because I quite like it. I put on some blush, some highlight, I don't know. usual makeup shit. I feel like everyone already knows how to do their makeup and no one will be watching this for any actual use, so this is more of a, I don't know, let's just watch me do intolerably boring things day after day. Okay, so that's just me, like, where I'm at with my face. And then, yeah, I just, like, added a few finishing touches, like, you know, when you put a bit too much on, like, a little excess, I just wiped it off with a tissue, and then I was like, oh no, I rubbed off some of my highlights and my contour, so I went over it again, just, like, quickly with my finger. Yeah, and then spraying it to set it, because I have respect, and I also was just like, do it properly, whatever. Anyway, yeah, this is my finished everyday makeup look. I hope you liked it.